waste is another person's meal. According to a recent statistics, every 5 seconds, a child dies as a result of hunger. Don't waste food. Before you complain about the taste of your food, think of someone who has nothing to eat at all. We have no clue how the harvesting is done. There are thousands sleeping on the roads with an empty stomach. We get the food very easily, so we waste it without realizing for a minute. Let's make it a habit of giving the leftovers to the hunger every night before we fall asleep. Zakat, I paid with Ehsas.